Hello guys, Kevin Auto Insider here. It's been a while. I've not posted any video, but I'm still working on getting more content. So today we have this 1NZ engine. This is on Toyota Axio. So this uh, engine has an issue with overheating and the gasket is brown. So we found out the cartridge was a leaking radiator. So the current kept on topping up the current each day and after every distance. So the main purpose here is to replace the gasket. You see there we are removing the camshafts. These are the camshafts. You can see there. This is the timing side cover. So we are going to separate everything here and now assemble. So we are trying to remove the camshafts. These are the camshafts. Okay, see, just done that simply, and you can separate them just like that. Then you need to move the cylinder head, and now see how we can place the gasket. So we are going to show you bits by bits of every step that we make. So we have already removed the head cylinder and also the brown head gasket there. You see this is the engine block now, where the sleeve, you can see them clearly there, and the pistons, you see. So now we are pressing the head gasket just like that. There are so many options that you can use as a sealant there. You can use either grease, some use oil, some others use depends on what you want to use. So after that, we're now going to place the head gasket there. Remember, we have also scrapped the cylinder head to make sure that there's no leakages there. Then we are now closing the head gasket there. You see, slowly by slowly, and after 2 hours the car is now running fine and back to the road. So